fidget trading. Add. Yes. Pause the tubes. Take the snapper. I'm gonna switch places because here is noisy. Okay. I'm gonna trade this spinner dimple. What do you have to offer? Waiting your offer. Excuse me. You're offering a DIY tangle? I don't like DIY, I like real fidgets. Look at how poor quality made this tangle is. No, I want you to add. Ooh, a phone dimple. Where did you get this from? Oh, you got it from Claire's? Okay. I'm ready to start. What you're telling me to add? Isn't this enough for that ugly tangle and that phone dimple? Doesn't mean because the phone dimple is more pretty and bigger that it's worth it. Okay, fine, I'll add. I'm gonna add this octopus poppet, but this time you have to add because that tangle is poorly made. Colors and then a pink. So you have to add this time. Okay, you're adding a star snapper. Okay, I'll accept. I'll do it. I really like the phone dimple and the snapper. I'll keep this away. Take your octopus and your spinner dimple. I love this phone dimple. It's my favorite. But the small pops in the middle, I don't really like them because they're too small and they're hard to pop, but they're still nice. So, okay, now just make sure she's not scamming me with the star snapper right here. Okay, it's a good snapper. Okay, there. Now you add your offer first, because I really want to see what you're offering. Okay, you're trading me a yellow pop tube. I'm just testing it first. Okay, and then, okay, I'll offer you a green pop tube. They're telling me to add, but they're all the same color and they're all so good. Okay. I'm declining then. I'm gonna add something else for your offer. I'm gonna add a spinner dimple. And it has yellow on it. Okay, yes, I got a pop tube. Take your spinner dimple. Makes a cool wishing sound. Okay, next. I will offer first this time. I'm offering you 3 pop tubes for offer. Okay, I'm offering an octopus poppet. Okay, I might as well accept. But you're telling me to add for 3 good pop tubes? That is so much. Okay, fine, I'll add. I'll add a snapper. A snapper's fine, right? What? I have to add? Okay, I'll add this, a spinner dimple, and a tangle. Oh, and add, all I have left is a jumbo poppet. What do you want me to add? I'm not adding, this is my favorite fidget. No. You have to add all of this. Okay, you're switching your offer to Jumbo Puppet, and it's legendary. Oh my gosh. Of course I'm gonna do it. Yay, my Jumbo Puppet. Now I have 2. Jumbo Puppet. Its pops are super good. Okay, Jumbo Puppet, I love you. Take all your fidgets. I just got a Jumbo Puppet. Wait, can I first try the snapper again? I want to try all your fidgets. Okay. Okay. Spinner dimple. Okay. I'll make a part 2. Bye.